trust. It's something that's built with care and time. You trust your horse to follow your lead, and it trusts you with its life. With the RockerBall cushion hitch gooseneck ball, you can add safety to comfort and travel stress-free. This hitch ball improves gooseneck towing with ShockDrop technology, effectively reducing jerking and jarring. A pivot pin and cushioned isolator absorb the impacts and make a smoother ride for people and animals alike. All this technology is built right into the hitch ball, so there's no need for expensive trailer modifications. The RockerBall is compatible with CURT double lock and B&W turnover ball hitches, so you can upgrade the hitch you already know and trust. Take care of what's important and be as dependable as the equipment you use. Choose the CURT RockerBall cushion hitch gooseneck, because you're in it for the long haul.